Oh, the northern Kentucky man who deputies say killed the mother of his children and shot one of his little boys was arrested and charged with domestic violence twice in the past 2 months. A judge set John Gentry's bond at $1 million.
WCPO 9 News reporter Courtney Francisco dug into court records to find out more about Gentry's past.
I checked court documents, and John Gentry has been involved in 2 other domestic violence incidents in the past 2 months. And that's not the only time investigators say he's gotten violent. Now complete strangers are stepping up to help the children involved in this tragedy. Starting to get a picture of the violence, court documents say Tiffany Kidwell was trying to escape. Violence that kept getting worse until deputies say John Gentry killed her.
It makes my blood boil. It makes my blood boil, to say the least.
Pernell Hazlip and his sister Ashley are 2 of the strangers raising money for the Kidwells' 2 sons. The boys were watching Friday night when deputies say their father shot their mother.
It's absolutely horrendous to think that, something that could have been avoided.
Gentry's court records date back to 2010 when an officer says he saw him fighting with a man in a restaurant. This year, Kidwell started reporting abuse. In August, records showed Gentry violated an emergency protective order when he showed up outside Kidwell's work in Boone County, opened her car doors shouting. He grabbed her phone and left as she tried to call 911. Not even a month later, records show he violated that order again when he attacked her in her car, pinned her down. It says she had redness on her face and she complained of shoulder and neck pain. And this month, the deputies say Kidwell was sitting in a car with her 2 sons in a driveway on Winchester Drive in Walton, Kentucky, when he shot and killed Kidwell and shot their 3-year-old in the stomach. The 3-year-old is expected to survive. Investigators say Gentry shot a stranger, Lawrence Ward, when he was trying to steal his car to get away. Ward is home from the hospital.
2 out of 3 kids are living with this in their home.
People who help survivors of abuse in our area say since the pandemic shut down, 53% more people are calling for help than the same time last year. And Kristen Shimplin says the type of violence the women report in their home is intensifying.
We are seeing fundamentally more strangulation. We are seeing fundamentally more domestic violence homicide. We are seeing more tactics of violence of abuse such as sexual assault, access to firearms.
Kidwell's case has affected so many people. A GoFundMe account has raised more than $17,000 in one day. The Hazlip family is planning a raffle October 17th for the boys.
We're living in a nasty world right now.
Gentry is scheduled to be in court again on October 16th and November 10th. Reporting in Walton, Kentucky, Courtney Francisco, WCPO 9 News.